On mark and running. First ball. Oh. Stand by for your wicket break. Oh! 6-6. Lovely. Nah.
not being able to keep it close to the body of the batter, and that width is allowing them to drive through.
As mentioned, it's a pitch that is not going to offer a lot of turn for the spinners, so that's too full. Perfect line and length for the right-hander.
Exactly what we were talking about. To the right-hander, this is an ideal length. And enough movement to beat that outside edge.
Slapped straight back past the bowler. No issues with hitting straight, and there are no fielders in that region. First boundary for Rana.
Yeah, slightly shorter length and got into good position. Horizontal bat straight over the bowler. Ends up with 40 for 1 after 4.
Little swing on offer, but starts a little too wide. Too full, too wide. And there is a deep fielder who will just get there. Saves his side a couple of runs.
72 meters all round. So you do have spaces where you can run 3, and that's what happened. Though they do have a sweeper cover. Bit of boot work there. And they managed to pull off 3 there.
Again, making room to play through that offside. The length much better from Edwards on that occasion.
Nawab, off spinner. Oh, nicked. It's an outside edge. The slip really had no chance.
Good evening, and Arham Nawab right into the action straight away. He's got 30 wickets in 6 games in the under-19.
In the air. He just dropped short to, again, just on with the arm. And it's been such a good power play for the Hyderabad Hunters. They are 56 for 1 from 6.